Here at Elmi Linux Made Easy. Today we are going to have a look at the link command, or the ln command. It's used to make links between files. Links in Linux systems can either be a hard link or a soft link, which is also called a symbolic link. A hard link is another pointer to the file. It means that the new file that you create will point to the very same memory location as the actual file. But a soft link is a bit different. It just points to the actual path of the original file. So if you rename the original file, then the soft link is broken and it cannot be used anymore. So I think you got the difference between a hard link and a soft link. We are going to do some examples now. Okay. First, let me take you through the man page for the link command. So you can see a lot of options here, but what we are more concerned is the S parameter that you can see here, which is used to create symbolic links. If you don't use the S parameter, then the link command will create a hard link for you. Okay, and that's all about the man page. I'm going to go back to the terminal to do some examples now. I'm going to create a file which is named file1. Alright, so I've just created a file named file1. Let me do a listing. I'm using the I parameter for the list command so that I can see the inode number for the file1, and I'm grabbing file1 so that I can see only the results that has the string file1 in it. And there we go. We have a file named file1 which has an inode number 786704. You might be wondering what an inode number is. An inode number is nothing but a unique number which is assigned to every files and folders in Linux systems. So when you create a new file, it will have this unique number, and it is absolutely unique. You need to remember that. Okay, and I know number will be a unique number. So when we are creating the hard link, what happens is that we are creating a new file which points to the same location as the actual file. So the inode number for the new file will be exactly the same as the inode number for the parent file. So let me create a hard link now for the file1, and I'm naming the hard link as file2. Okay, and let me do a listing. I need to show both the files, so I'm grabbing the string file. You can see the file2 that we have just created, and I'm sorry, I missed the inode number part of it. Okay, and we can confirm that the inode number for the file2 is exactly the same as file1, that is 786704. Now let's go ahead and create a soft link. Okay, and the soft link or the symbolic link is named file3. I'm going to do a listing, and there we go. You can say that file 3 is a symbolic link to file 1. You can confirm that with the small redirection arrow that you can see here at the very end, and also by the different inode number. The inode number for the new file is 789886. So it's a completely new file, but it actually points to the file 1. That's the parent file. So I'm going to delete the parent file now, and let's see what happens if we do a listing. Alright, so I have deleted the parent file and I've done a listing, and you can see that the file 2, which is nothing but a hard link to the file 1, is actually retained. It means that file 2 cannot be modified when we delete its link, that's file 1, because file 2 is another genuine file which points to the same memory location as file 1 did. But we really have a problem with file 3. File 3 now points to file 1, which does not exist. So we cannot reach file 1 through file 3. So if we do a cat for file 3, we are in big trouble because file 1 does not exist. So the soft link or the symbolic link is broken. So I have to remove file 3 because it's good for nothing now. So I hope you understood the differences between hard links and soft links. And one more thing I just want to mention before I quit is that you cannot create either hard links or soft links in a partition, well, in a directory that's in a different partition. So the directory that you are creating hard link or soft link should be in the same partition when it comes to a Linux system. I hope you understood what I tried to show you, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to post a comment. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.